It's not so dusty. Hey, banging. The Railway Children, Chapter 11, The Hound in the Red Jersey. I can hear footprints and things, so you have to creep about quietly. Bobby knew the secret now. Dog barking. When she had got Mother alone in her room, locked the door and then stood... Okay. When she had got Mother alone in her room, she locked the door. Suddenly, Bobby broke away from her and went to the... Suddenly. She had stopped crying. No! She heard about the trial and about the evidence. She heard about the trial and about the evidence. Letters. I can hear you walking around, so you have to be much more creepy than that. Banging cupboards. Banging and walking around thumpily. All those noises are carrying through.
Sorry.
And someone's thumping around in the kitchen. Cupboards.
Maybe.
She needs to be quiet.
Do you know where are those two make colours for the Queen? There are two.
In the trunk. Trunk around the corner.
So it might be a little bit sloppy from getting stuff out of there. I'll tell Katie. Can you do it on here? She's just sitting.
She usually starts itching and stuff. It's okay, she's just lying there. She's okay. Oh dear. She heard about the trial. She heard about the trial and about the evidence. Letters found in Father's desk at the office. Oh! I just better go back a bit in case all that noise came through on that. So then... No, my dearest, there's nothing to be done. Oh, do help me. Remember, walking, everything comes through. Oh, do help me. The swallows wouldn't spell Phyllis with a P, I'm sure. How would they know where to go if they couldn't read? That's only in pictures. Well, I have a pigeon then. At least Daddy told me they did. It's funny wording. Okay. Well, I have a pigeon then. The paper chase was found to be a more amusing The paper chase was found to be a more amusing subject of conversation than the reading powers of swallows. Probably had hoped it might be. The paper chase was found to be a more amusing subject of conversation than the reading powers of swallows.